In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Chrome extension to RingCentral. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to open the Chrome Web Store. This is your go-to spot for finding all sorts of extensions for your Chrome browser. So open up your Chrome browser and navigate to chrome.google.com/webstore. Once you're there, you'll notice that the layout is pretty straightforward with a search bar right at the top. Now let's make use of that search bar. In this case, type RingCentral into it. As you do so, you'll see a list of potential extensions popping up. Among these, you might notice several options tailored to different needs and integrations. For instance, there's RingCentral for Google, which is perfect if you're looking to integrate with Gmail and Google Calendar. You might also come across other variations like RingCentral for HubSpot, Salesforce, or other customer relationship management tools, depending on what you already use. At this stage, it's crucial to select the correct extension that suits your needs. Simply click on the RingCentral extension you have decided on. Please pay close attention to ensure it's published by RingCentral Inc. to avoid any fake or malicious tools. Authentic extensions will have their developer marked clearly, which helps maintain security and reliability. After choosing the right extension, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window will likely appear asking for confirmation. Here, you just need to press Add Extension. This step facilitates the addition of the tool to your browser and doesn't take much time. Once the extension is installed, you should notice its icon appearing in the top right corner of your Chrome toolbar. To make it even easier to access, you might want to pin the extension. You can do this by clicking on the little puzzle piece icon located near your toolbar and then selecting to pin RingCentral, ensuring it's always readily available with just a simple click. With the extension installed, the next step is to sign in. Click on the extension icon and you'll be prompted to enter your RingCentral credentials, input your username and password, or use single sign-on if that's enabled for your account. This step is essential as it allows the extension to communicate with your RingCentral account, syncing all your necessary data. Now that everything's set up, you can start using the extension right away. Depending on the type of RingCentral extension you installed, you'll have various features at your fingertips. You can make and receive calls directly through your browser, a convenient option for frequent communication. If you've integrated it with Gmail or Google Calendar, scheduling or joining RingCentral meetings is just a breeze. Plus, if you're using a supported CRM, syncing contacts and call logs makes your workflow much more efficient and organized. Hopefully, you now feel confident in adding the Chrome extension to RingCentral. Thanks for following along and enjoy the convenience of having everything seamlessly integrated into your browser experience.